not just a bad bitch, baby. I'm the baddest, I'm the baddest.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Hey guys, it's GINAMARIE, also known as onesmartfro, where the mind is as beautiful as the fro. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I created this hairstyle. It's something very different, something I have not tried. I posted in the community section of YouTube that I am tired of wearing the same hairstyles. I'm always doing comfort hairstyles, and that's a twist out or braid out in a side part. And in 2018, I really want to get out of my comfort zone when it comes to my natural hair. I'm not talking about shaving my hair or anything like that type of comfort zone, but I'm talking about wearing hairstyles that you won't typically see me wear. And so this brings me to I don't want to say if this is a series, but it might as well be. Each month, I am going to challenge myself at least once a month to do a hairstyle that I would not normally do. So the first hairstyle is this hairstyle that I created. I got the idea, I think it's from Fabulous Brie. I will put her picture so you guys can see what she did. So I kind of got this idea from her, and I kind of twisted it to fit me, kind of do something a little different. I didn't want to do the exact same hairstyle she did, but I definitely got the idea from her. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I created this hairstyle, then let's continue on.
So I'm starting off by moisturizing my hair, and I'm going to moisturize my hair in sections just as I get ready to braid, and I'm going to make sure to detangle. I'm using the Millie Organics Pomegranate and Honey line to moisturize my hair. So I'm going to part a section of my hair, and then I'm going to just slowly braid it. I'm not going to try not to do too much talking in this video and mainly just stick to like the visual, but I'm going to braid my hair down the side, and then once I braid my hair to the side, I'm going to continue to section off my hair by parting my hair down the middle and then making a smaller part, getting that out of the one side out of the way, and then parting another section of my hair kind of at a diagonal, just so I can create 4 braids, 4 cornrows. And then I'm just going to go ahead and cornrow my hair from each side. So once I finish braiding each side, I'm going to go in, and I was going to have it hanging, but I realized it would look better if I put it inside the braid. And so I'm just going to go in and attach that little piece of hair, and I'm going to actually weave it into the big chunky braid. And I thought this would create a nice look, something different. I don't know, something I haven't tried. And then I'm just going to continue to braid that cornrow. And then I'm just going to repeat the exact same steps to the other side of my head. I'm then going to lay my edges, and I am actually going to sleep with my hair like this overnight just so that it dries and it actually flattens out, just to create a more clean look. So the next morning, I'm just going to go and I gotta pause, guys. I'm getting a little hang time, and I'm a little impressed. But I'm just going to go ahead, and what I'm now going to do is unravel. The reason why I braided my hair all the way down was because I wanted to create some texture, but I always knew that I was going to unravel it. Now, obviously, if your hair is longer than mine, you can kind of wear it down as a cornrow, but my hair kind of does that awkward turn curl because it's not that long. So once I unbraid it, I'm going to just secure it with a scrunchie. Now you can do one bun or two buns, but I'm going to do two buns, and then I'm going to separate my hair just so I can make it thicker. Now, if I wanted to, I could take some clip-ins just to create bigger buns, but I feel like my hair is pretty big and I have enough thickness that my buns don't look sad. So I'm just going to continue to fluff those braids out just to give it a little texture, and then I'm going to wrap that around to create a bun. So now I'm going to take some gold bobby pins and then the braid beads, little braid jewelries, and I'm going to place that on my hair. Now I'm not going to go too crazy because this can look tacky real quick. So I'm going to place two on the side of my hair, and then I'm going to crisscross the gold bobby pins on one of the chunky braids, and I left the two middle braids alone, and then I'm going to place another one of those braid and jewelries on the front part where I place that those bobby pins, and then that's all I'm going to do. Obviously you can do this part to however you like. So here is the final look. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button. If you aren't subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification button so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.